The Mac operating system has some cool screen capture features that are built in. However, the OS does not let you capture the system's audio, so when you do a screen capture, you do not get any sound. This is really annoying if you're doing some screen captures for tutorials or for capturing game footage. But there is a way to add the ability to capture audio, and this video will show you how. Okay, so a quick overview on how this works. We're going to add a driver that will monitor your Mac's audio, and also we will create an output device that we will route the system's audio to and apps can use to record from. So let's begin. So the first thing we need to do is install Blackhole. Open up the program's website. I provided a link in the description. You will have to fill out this form with your name and email in order to receive the download link. When you're done filling out the form, click on the subscribe for free Mac download button, and an email with a download link will be sent to the email address you provided. So get on your email program and click on the download link that was sent to you from Existential Audio Incorporated. When you click on the link, a website will load up with 3 different download buttons. I'm going to download the 2-channel version. If your requirements need you to record more audio channels, then select either the 16 or 64 channel versions. Or if you want, you can install all of them and switch between them as needed. I just need 2-channel recording, so I'll click on the 2-channel button to initiate the download. When it's done, open the downloaded file to install Blackhole. After the install is complete, we need to create a multi-output device. Let's do this by clicking on the search icon in the Finder's menu bar and search for the Audio MIDI Setup application. When the application is open, click on the plus sign here and then click on Create Multi-Output Device. Now with multi-output device here selected, make sure that the master device are the main speakers for your Mac. Mine is MacBook Air speakers. My sample rate is 44.1 kHz. And I'll check off Blackhole 2 channels. If you install the 16 or 64 channel versions, then you'll see those. If you install multiple versions, then select the one with the amount of channels you want. And we are done with configuring the Mac. The next step is to configure recording software. The first thing that needs to be done is to make sure that the Mac's output device is set to multi-output device. There are 2 ways to do this. The first way is to go to the System Preferences and then click on Sound. In the Output tab, select Multi-Output Device for sound output. You will not want to have this permanently set. Only use it when you want to record system audio. This is because you will not be able to change the volume on your Mac when using multi-output device. If you try to change the volume, you will see this volume alert, and the volume will stay at the same level. If I switch the sound output device back to my MacBook Air speakers, then I'll be able to change the volume as you can see on the volume alert. I'll change the sound output back to multi-output device. You will still be able to hear audio with the Mac speakers when you set it to that. Now, let me show you a quicker way of setting this. I'll close this window and change the sound output device. Click on the Control Center icon on the top right of the Finder menu. Then, in the Sound section, click on the airplane icon or this arrow. You'll then see a list of sound output devices. I'm already set to multi-output device, but if I want my regular setting, I'll click on MacBook Air speakers. Remember, with this setting, you won't be able to record system audio. Since I do want to record system audio, I'll change this back to multi-output device. Okay, so we know how to change the output device. Let's do some sample recordings using Quicktime and OBS. First, let's do a system audio recording with Quicktime. Remember, you need to set the sound output device to multi-output device for this to work. Now open up Quicktime, then click File, New Audio Recording, on the arrow next to the record button, select the Blackhole version you installed. Now click on the red record button to begin the recording. And now I'll open up a game to record its audio. I feel I got enough audio. Now I'll exit the game and stop the QuickTime recording. I'll play it back and move audio to a section that has sound. And you can now hear the game audio. Before installing Blackhole, I would not get any sound here. Now let's test a screen recording with audio in QuickTime. With QuickTime open, click on File, New Screen Recording. On the bottom menu that appears, click on Options. Then on the microphone section, select the version of Blackhole you installed. Then select either the Record Entire Screen or Record Selected Portion buttons. I'll pick Record Entire Screen and then click on the Record button. Now I'll open up the game again to capture some video and audio. That's enough gameplay, so I'll exit and stop the video recording. To stop, click the stop button in the menu bar. The recording opens automatically, and I'll play it. Now let me skip to a section with sound, and it works. Now let's test system audio in OBS by doing a screen recording there. I'm going to assume that you already know how to use OBS. Here I have OBS open and I have a scene with a display capture device that lets me see my Mac's desktop. We need to add an audio output capture device to the scene to get system audio. Do that by clicking on this plus button. Then select Audio Output Capture. On this menu, give it any name you want. I'll leave it as a default and click on OK. On the device dropdown, select the Blackhole version you installed, and click on OK. Adding an audio output capture like this will also allow you to hear system audio in a live stream. Now let me test this by starting an OBS recording. I'll click on Start Recording. I'll then bring down OBS and open the game again. That's enough gameplay. I'll exit the game and stop the OBS recording. Now I'll go to where my OBS recordings are. And I'll open the video I just recorded. So the video is open. Now let me move the playback to a section with sound. And it also works. So that's it. That's how you record system audio on a Mac. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. And if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button and its bell icon so you can get notified of future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.